We don't have to do it all today. Just one project at a time.
What some people probably don't realise, I know I get a question sometimes, that there is different speeds and settings on your drill. Drills aren't just squeeze and pull and go. They are designed to be adjusted and used according on what you're using. So on the top of a lot of drills here, you'll have basically a clutch selection. Now, if you've got this drill in the little one looks like a hammer, that's actually a hammer drill mode. That's for drilling concrete and through bricks and stuff. If you click it back one more, you'll see that one is like a little drill bit. That's for drilling holes. That's what you should have it on when you're drilling a hole. The reason you need it on that is because most drills these days will actually have a clutch slip like lockout, and what it does is it stops while you're drilling. If something catches, it will stop that drill from spinning around and breaking your wrist. And I can tell you from my own experience of drilling steel one day with not having that set, it is not it hurts a lot. I was off work for 6 months because of it. So don't ever do it. It will literally catch and twist your arm around faster than you can blink. So you really need to look at your settings. And then the other numbers you've got on it, as you come back down, they're your numbers. So it's 16 and it goes all the way down. So what you can do is if you're drilling, that's for more if you're putting screws in. So if you're drilling a screw into something softer sort of wood, turn the number down, and what it'll do is it'll drill. Once it reaches a certain point, it's going to start going brrr. That's, you're tight enough. So it stops you over tightening your screws and going through the woodwork. And the other switch on them is top one is just your speed. So 1, and if you put it in there, like putting the car in the second gear, it'll go faster. And then obviously my drill, it's just because it's a manual chuck, automatic chuck, sorry. I can hold it and drill it out. Drop the drill bit in. Tighten it up. So what I can do though is with this one, you can actually grab it and hand tighten a bit more. So that noise, what I'll show you is if you go, you set your clutch all the way down to 2. If I grab that, hear that? It won't go any harder. If I start to bring it up on the 16, I can't hold it. That's going to put way more force on it. The other thing is, now if I go into the drilling setting, I can't hold it enough to show you, but if you could get it to hold, so that would do the same thing and wouldn't let it go. And then the hammer, that actually will hammer back and forth while it's drilling. So yeah, just look, again, I'm no expert, but that's just a little thing, little trick, little tip for people that don't understand how drills work. So now you do. So another thing when you're drilling is I see some people sometimes they'll drill like this. Say you're trying to drill a hole and they've got a hand like that. That's dangerous. You should never drill like that because you have no strength behind your drill. What you should really be focusing on is if you're going to be drilling a hole through something, especially metal or something solid, when you get your drill going, you should try and get your hand. What I like to do is if I'm drilling, say you're drilling into a wall or something, anything, any metal, put the drill in and then notice how I keep my arm. So when you're holding it, your arm's nice and straight. And you're going to push with the other hand, you can put a bit of force on it. But the idea is you want to try and put a bit of weight into what you're doing because it's going to help it. Don't put too much in because it will do the same thing, it'll catch. But you can't drill like this. You've got no strength behind you, and that's how you hurt yourself. If the drill tries to catch or move, you're going to hurt yourself. So you can drill like this, lock it, sometimes you lock it against your chest, or if you're going to be fat stomach like mine, lock it against your fat stomach. But hold it in tight and hold it. Don't be afraid of the drill. It's not going to hurt you, it's not going to bite. Because if you hold it out here, then it will bite. So, and try and be comfortable when you're drilling too. So the best thing to have here would be a hole punch, but I don't have one. So yeah, just to start it. But again, this is pretty soft stuff. So what you can do too is just give it like that, bit of twist, gives you a bit of starting hole. And what I'm going to do is stand up because I want to be able to get a bit of force on it, like I said. But still, start off a little bit slow to get it to go. And then right through. Beautiful. Nice little hole right there. Now this one, same again. Make sure your drill's in forward guard. See, and I didn't go at 100 miles an hour there. I just did enough speed as it needed. You don't want to go too fast either.
We don't have to do it all today. Just one project at a time.